Hello class, this is the class for the maths class 12th and we have already discussed about the matrices. Now come some new topic and here we are going to discuss about the equivalent matrix and some other topics. So let's come the equivalent matrix. Let two matrices A and B. Then if we apply a finite number of elementary operation, you just know in the previous year you learn the elementary operation, and here the by applying finite number of elementary operation on a matrix A, so we are getting a matrix B, so that matrix can be said equivalent matrix. So now come other topic, elementary matrix. If we apply and one elementary operation on identity matrices, okay, so that matrix become elementary matrices. So now some other matrices, singular matrices. Singular square matrices is said to be singular if the determinant of matrix A is 0, and the non-singular square matrix, if you have a matrix A does not equal to, and if its determinant is not equal to 0, so that matrix A is said to be non-singular matrices. Now come to some other topic, inverse of matrices. Inverse of square matrix is non-singular matrices, and if we multiply A with its inverse of matrices, then we get the identity matrices. So now if you have A and B two matrices and B is said to be inverse of matrix A, and it is written as B is equal to A inverse, and here if we multiply A into A inverse, then we are getting the identity matrices. So A inverse is the inverse of matrix A, and if we are multiplying A inverse A, so we are getting always identity matrix, and it is also always is unique matrices. And to find the inverse of matrices, if you have a matrix A, so then let matrix A, then it can be also written if we I into A, okay. If we multiply identity from any matrix, we are getting also A. Then in this equation we have, if we apply elementary operation and here we make identity, then this become A inverse into A. So whatever matrix we are getting apply from elementary operation in this equation, so that matrix is become identity inverse of that A. Here let's start with example. So making this element 0, so then we have to write subtract column 2 from 1. So column 2 from 1, so we are right. So beta 1, this is 1, this is 0, and column 2 from 1, so this is 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, this can be written as this is identity matrices. And now beta, whenever you multiply C2 minus C1, so this become 1 ऑलरेडी बेटा इस मैट्रिक्स पे हम तो कोई नहीं ऑपरेशन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. नाउ here whatever we have changed C2 from C2 minus C1, so 1 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and 1 minus of minus 1 you are getting minus of minus 1, this is 2. Okay, this is 2, so into a, so 1 0 0 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2. So this is your A inverse. Okay, this is your A inverse. So into A, then you get in the identity matrices. So in this way you find the inverse of this matrix. So A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2. So solve your question beta and ask your problem if you have any problem. In this way you are doing for another 2 cross 2, 3 cross 2, 3 also. So ask your problem. Okay, thank you.